Hey guys, welcome back to Living Gratefully, and if you're new here, my name is Cathy and I'm so grateful that you clicked on this video. Today I'm sharing a 3-ingredient recipe that is sure to be a hit at any potluck or holiday gathering. It's easy and fast and it has cream cheese in it, and let's be honest, everything is better with cream cheese, right? We call this sausage yumminess in our house, but you can call it whatever you want. Let's get started. I like to use the hot Jimmy Dean sausage for this recipe. It gives it a lot of flavor, but it's not too spicy. I just fry that up, and this particular day after I cook the sausage, I turn the heat off and let it cool and then use the paper towel to soak up the excess grease. But you don't have to do it that way. And then I stirred in the cream cheese. If your sausage is still hot, you usually don't have to turn the heat back on to mix in the cream cheese, but we had to turn it back on because we let the sausage cool. Really, that's just because we had a lot going on this day, getting ready for a Christmas gathering. My sister and her family came over to watch football and open Christmas presents and eat finger foods. We had a great time, and there may be a video coming soon on that, so be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I forgot the Pam right here, caught it just in time. For this particular recipe, I do like to use the non-stick tin foil and a little Pam as well. One time I made this for a family gathering, and Scott's granny said you can bring this to any and all of our gatherings. She liked it so much. And Taylor has been known to ask for this instead of birthday cake. She loves it so much. And you could put this in a casserole dish and serve it like a casserole. In fact, I think that's the official name, sausage casserole, but I like it as a finger food. It's just easy and yummy, so yummy that we call it sausage yumminess. Thank you guys so much for watching this Living Gratefully Cooking with Cathy video. You can screenshot the recipe that'll be coming up on the screen. It's not fancy, but it's typical of what my recipe cards look like, where I cross off things and change things up based on my experience. So be sure to subscribe for more Living Gratefully videos. We post new videos every week on a variety of topics like travel vlogs and cooking, decorating, and DIY projects, pretty much anything we feel like talking about. And we'll see you next time. Bye!